In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer elements in Canva. If you've ever felt a bit overwhelmed when dealing with the organization of your design elements, you're certainly not alone. Understanding how to layer elements can transform your design process, making it more intuitive and less frustrating. So, let's jump right in. To get started, head over to canva.com and log in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the page. If you haven't logged in before, don't worry. Canva offers several options for logging in. You can choose to sign in with Google, Facebook, or simply with your email. Use whichever option is most convenient for you and you'll be all set to move forward. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to open the project you wish to work on. If you're starting something new or revisiting an ongoing project, navigate to your dashboard and select the desired project. This will take you right into the Canva editor, where the magic of layering elements happens. Now that you're in the editor, click on the page, background, or any element you wish to work with. This is your workspace and it's important to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top you'll see a toolbar. This is where you'll find the position button. Click on this and a sidebar with options will appear. This is your gateway to effectively managing layers. Within these options, locate the Layers tab and click on it. This action will reveal all the layers present on your current page. Take note of any grouped elements, which will have a grouped icon next to them, while the background will be marked with a background icon. Understanding these icons will help you quickly identify and navigate your design elements. To find a specific layer, simply select it from the Layers panel. Canva will highlight the layer on your page, making it easy for you to manage without getting lost in the design complexities. If you want to rearrange these layers, it's quite straightforward. Click and hold on any layer and drag it up or down the panel to reposition it. A guiding line will appear indicating where the layer will be inserted once you release it. This visual aid simplifies what could otherwise be a complex task, ensuring that your design maintains a logical and aesthetic flow. By following these steps, you'll gain better control over your design elements, making your Canva projects more organized and visually appealing. Practice these steps a few times and you'll find layering to be an essential time-saving skill in your design toolbox. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to mastering layering in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.